What's going on, everyone? Matthew Osborn here, and today we're going to be doing a quick dive into the 7-month update for my passive income affiliate website. It has been almost a month since I posted here on YouTube. We welcomed a new little one into our family this past month, so it threw things off of my regular schedule. Now, even though I've had 2 back-to-back videos on this channel for the affiliate website, this channel is still primarily dedicated to Amazon-related topics. And I've got 2 videos I'm working on right now that I think you guys will really enjoy, so check back soon for some Amazon content. As for the affiliate website, this is the month 7 update. The goal is to build a website to $3,500 a month in 12 months. It's a big goal. It will be hard to hit. New blog posts typically take 8 to 10 months to really start seeing any traffic. And so only 12 months in to make $3,500 a month will be difficult. Since only 16 articles were written in the first month, that means only 16 articles are now getting to that 8-month mark. The majority of the articles will see that growth around month 12. So it'll be interesting to see if that push in traffic is enough to push me over that hump for $3,500 a month. So theoretically, things should start doubling month to month from this point forward. For those unfamiliar, an affiliate website is simply a blog based on a specific topic, and you make money from ads and from affiliate links when someone clicks on your link and purchases a product. You target high traffic, low competition keywords, and then you just write articles on those keywords. For example, you could write an article on how to use a knife for survival. In the article, you could link to a few of your favorite knives that you recommend. When people click the link and make a purchase, you get a commission, simple as that. 7 months in, I'm happy to say I had my first $100 month. Last month with just under 60 for reference, so here's the metrics. I had 2,441 website visits. This month did not double in traffic, as last month was around 1,900. Impressions were also up, but just barely. They went from 23,000 last month to 35,000 this month. 11 new articles were written, bringing the current total articles on the website to 102. Now for the good stuff, the revenue. Ads are the most interesting because with ads you get paid a dollar amount for every 1,000 views, normally somewhere between the $10 to $30 range per 1,000 visits to the website. My ads, since the beginning, have only been bringing in around $2 per 1,000 views since I haven't spent time optimizing them. I was planning on waiting until the website was a lot bigger to really optimize these ads. Except 2 days ago, I got an email from my ad network, Ezoic, telling me that if I did not at least a little bit optimize my ads, they were going to force the ads to shut down. So it forced me to do some optimization. And lo and behold, it actually worked. Granted, this was just 2 days ago, but the day after I optimized the ads on the website, I went from an average of 6 cents a day to $1 per day. So that's over a 10x return from optimizing those ads. So this month, I only received $5.18 from ads, but with these optimizations, I expect to get somewhere around $40 to $50 next month from ad revenue. Amazon affiliate revenue was up to $68, slightly raised from last month at $57, but the fun part is I finally made some money from an affiliate network that was not Amazon. My goal with this website is to make money through other means besides Amazon to kind of diversify my income. And other ad networks normally have much bigger, or other affiliate networks normally have much higher commission rates. So clicks coming through their networks have been happening for the past 2 months, but I got 2 sales from 1 new affiliate partner that equaled $57 in revenue. To put that in perspective, I made $68 for Amazon for 71 sales. So 2 sales equaled almost the exact same amount of money I got from 78 sales on Amazon, bringing the total revenue for month 7 to $130. If I sold this website today for the normal multipliers, it would be worth around $5,200. That's what I love about affiliate websites, is that you don't just make money month to month, but you're building an asset you can then sell later on. That's it for month 7. Please subscribe if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.